Did Kurt Cobain really cough up blood because he sang so hard? Let's talk about this. I've read so many comments that say he did, but there's no evidence that I can find that supports it. So I finally decided to look into the science behind it. Now, obviously your vocal cords have tons of tiny blood vessels in them. When you sing and put your vocal cords to the limit, usually the next day they appear red or swollen. Why do they swell? Well, your vocal cords vibrate against each other to make a sound. To put it bluntly, they're basically smacking against each other to be heard. And in very rare occurrences, a superficial blood vessel can appear on the vibrating edge of a vocal fold. So either this enlarged blood vessel can join the vibrations of the vocal folds, or the pressure can be too much and it can hemorrhage and rupture, and you can bleed from your throat. This hemorrhage could have happened to Kurt, but that kind of hemorrhage producing enough blood to cough up is very, very slim. Keep in mind the vocal folds are really, really tiny, and the blood wouldn't bleed out. It would just soak into the soft tissue around it. So personally, I don't think he bled from his throat when he sang. I do think the stomach could have been a more likely culprit. But let me know in the comments if you have any thoughts, evidence, or a better understanding of the science, because I find myself still wondering.